This biker got irritated by a driver who was following too closely, and what started as a minor annoyance quickly turned into a much worse situation by the end.
Dude, no! Stupid. Back off. Dude, you're too f***ing close!
This biker tried several times to signal the driver that he was following too closely, but nothing seemed to work, and the situation only kept escalating.
Smile for YouTube!
Speed limit for a reason!
Dude,
the f***ing speed limit!
dude, I was!
Dude, you're doing 30 miles an hour!
Dude,
30 miles an hour!
lay off my
Fuck off!
Get the f out. Let's call the cops.
Get out, dude! What do you want to do?
Let's call the cops.
God, go on! Quit
Go f***ing around me.
While riding his dirt bike on a trail, this biker was suddenly interrupted by an angry hiker who clearly wasn't happy about sharing the path.
What's wrong with you? Hold on a second. Hold on a second.
A road rage incident between a van driver and a biker quickly escalated when the driver went too far and pushed the bike.
What? Oh, there it is.
I mean, I don't want to say get him with the helmet, but like you're wearing a helmet, right?
Let me get up!
She's looking at me like I'm gonna stop this, like bro, I'm on.
Before this biker even turned on his GoPro, the man in the SUV had already nearly run him off the road. And of course, he couldn't just let that slide.
So you just gonna f***ing cut me off like that? Get the f*** out. Get the f*** out. Get the f*** out, you motherfucker. Come on. Nah, you wanna talk shit? Get the f*** out. Get the f*** out. Get the f*** out. Look at me, motherfucker. You heard? You can kill me. No, we both nothing. You see me make that f***ing left? No, shut the f*** up. Shut the f*** up because you cut me the f*** off. You looked at me and then you cut me off.
Oh, we both went.
No, we both went. You're on your f***ing lane. I'm on my lane, and you still cut me off, motherfucker.
I didn't cut
Yes, you did. I have it on f***ing GoPro, you idiot.
No.
I have it on f***ing GoPro. And before you want to talk shit, get the f*** out and fight me.
Hey! Get on your f***ing bike!
Shut the f*** up. Nobody told you to f***ing get out the car. You better hope another biker doesn't f***ing get you, bro. Are you not f***ing looking? Your mirror.
After the truck ran him off the road, the biker tried to take a photo of the license plate, but the driver reacted aggressively and attacked him.
Oh! He just f***ing hit me! The hell's wrong with you?
You can't pass on the
I don't give a f***! You don't f***ing hit me! You f***ing cut me off! You f***ing cut me off!
Before we get into the video, here's some context. The biker said he was riding through a residential area with a 20-mile-per-hour speed limit when he noticed a Mercedes approaching fast from behind. He waved to signal the driver to slow down, and that's where the video begins.
What you wanna do? What you wanna do? What you wanna do? What you wanna do?
Bro, I want to do no. What's wrong with you, man? Bro, he just cut us off and tried to hit us. Bro, I ain't doing anything. Bro. Don't worry, I got it all on camera, bro. Try again again.
See? Als hij de man met camera te doen.
While riding around, this biker noticed two thieves snatching a phone from a woman. Without thinking twice, he stopped his bike, ran after them, and managed to catch one of the thieves before they could get away.
Vos también andás con el culiao, culiao. Vos también andás con el conche tu madre. Bastardo culiao, andás con el bastardo conche tu madre. Corre, vaya, no, el culiao. Vas a verla, subiste el culiao. Suelta el cuchillo, conche tu madre, suelta el cuchillo. Suelta el cuchillo, conche tu madre. Suelta el cuchillo, perro culiao. Te pongo que yo la pilla baja. ¡Suéltalo! ¡Suéltalo! ¿Y por qué te aprovechas de la vida, Gil? ¿Por qué te aprovechas de la vida con Chitumare? ¡No está mi celu acá! ¡Toma, amiga! ¿Dónde está? ¡Mentira, Gil culiao! ¿Y qué me importa con Chitumare? Y la mujer es una mujer, Gil culiao. Solo estoy una mariconada con Chitumare.
After the driver made an unsafe overtake on the right side, the biker decided to confront him about his reckless behavior.
Seriously, dude? Seriously? You do know it's because people like you know, people like me getting in the accident, right?
What?
You know that, right?
What are you talking
What the f you come in front of me like that?
I thought you were going the other way.
No, the lane you're on, you're supposed to the right. The lane that I was on, I'm going straight in. You can run in front of me.
All right, well, sorry. Sorry about that.
Man.
Turning, mate, yeah?
Yeah.
After the biker filtered to the front, the driver became furious and started shouting insults. The biker tried to ignore it, but the man kept coming after him, refusing to let it go.
Rule 88 highway code, my dude.
What do I do to you?
Nothing.
What do I do to you?
What, nothing? You're just getting arsey because
What
I
do
went in
I
front
do
of
to
you.
you?
Because I went in
Huh?
front of you because I'm legally allowed. Just get in your car, man. There's no need. Get in your car.
Right, mate, relax, man. Rob.
Yeah, I'm alright, I don't care. Yeah, I'm good. It's him, man. Yeah, I'm good.
Chip, man. It's Chip, innit? Leave it away.
Yeah.
After the van driver made a reckless U-turn right in front of him, nearly causing a crash, this biker decided enough was enough and went after him to confront him.
Do you want me to show you on the camera?
My friend, listen. When I turned into there, I see you coming up behind me. I stopped for 30 seconds.
You didn't.
I f***ing stopped then. I see you.
You didn't, my
You
friend.
decided to put your f***ing acceleration down.
I didn't, mate.
Yes, you did.
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Why would I go fast? He doesn't even go fast.
Listen, you went fast enough, right, to catch up to me as
Mate,
you're coming down the road.
I was in the bus lane.
I see you.
Listen, I
see
was
you.
in the bus lane.
I see you.
Listen,
I see you.
but listen to me what I'm saying. I was in the bus
I listen
lane.
to you, but you don't want to listen to me.
I did listen to you.
You listen to me.
Yeah, I'm telling you now.
Just as I turned left, I see you coming behind me.
Yeah, but where was I then?
There was enough room behind
No.
for me to swing around.
When I was behind you, where was I?
Why are you touching me?
When I was behind you,
touch me, man.
when I was behind
You got no
you,
need to touch me.
I didn't touch you,
You
man.
did
It was
just
by
touch my
mistake,
arm.
man.
You touched my arm.
I was by mistake.
By mistake. Yeah?
Listen.
You chose to come up here. And
All right, you know
follow me
what? It's
today,
pointless arguing with you.
Yeah?
I'm going to complain to your company as
Complain to it, mate.
I
Go
will.
for it. Go on.
I will.
Go on then.
What?
Nah, do it.
No, I don't want to do it now. I'm
Why?
going to go
Why?
work.
What, you got time to stand here and
Go
talk
work.
to me, though, ain't
I
you?
come to talk to you because
Huh?
you done something wrong.
Listen, my friend. If I would have made you skid,
I did skid.
then I would have
You
done
didn't see.
wrong.
I did
Yeah?
skid.
You didn't skid at all.
Mate, I was in the bus
You
lane.
didn't f***ing skid.
I was
what are
in
you
the-
lying for?
What do you mean?
Why are you lying?
You know how
Why
much I
you
missed
lying?
you by? Your
You
bumper.
didn't miss me at all, mate.
All right, you know what? Search your number plate on the
Do it,
YouTube.
mate. Do it.
On the YouTube,
Do
and
it.
then you will see what exactly.
F***ing do it then.
No, I'm just saying
Go
to
do
you
it then.
because you don't
give
believe
me all
me.
the threats, this and another,
Because you don't
YouTube
believe
this
me.
and YouTube that. Do you know what? If you put me on YouTube, right, I can get you done.
All right, okay.
Yeah, do you know
we'll
what?
see who gets done.
Yeah.
In the end, the driver faced serious consequences for his reckless actions. After the biker gathered all the footage and reported the incident to the company, an internal review was launched. Once the company saw how dangerously their employee behaved on the road, they decided to terminate his employment immediately. Before we get into this clip, here's some context. This biker had an ongoing issue with this man and his father, whom he previously took to court after they crashed into his bike. Ever since then, the son has been harassing him every time their paths cross.
Don't start no bro. Don't start no bro. I'm gonna turn this into the cops if you touch me, bro. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. Don't do anything.
What?
Don't do anything, bro. Huh?
Take off that helmet.
No. I'm gonna post this on social media. You touch me, dog. Are you? Hey, call the police, bro. Don't do it.
Take off that helmet.
Don't do it. I'm gonna turn this into the police, bro.
Take off the helmet.
I'm gonna turn this into the police.
Take that helmet off.
I'm gonna turn this into the police.
We'll lose your job. Y'all can leave.
Let's get out of here, bro.
Carson, inside now. Carson, do it for me. Go inside right now.
Let's just get out of here, bro. Don't do it, bro. Don't do it, bro. I will defend myself, and the cops ain't gonna say shit. Hey, look, don't do it. Don't do it. I'm gonna let you hit me. I'm gonna let you hit me. Go ahead. I'm gonna let you hit me, and then I'll turn into the cops and you go to juvie. How about that? Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Don't do it, bro. Don't do it.
Hey, get on your back. Please leave. I'm sorry.
No, you better hold him back more before I do.
If you say another word, I will call the cops.
No, he's gonna be the one going to jail. He's the one aggressing. No, he ain't doing it. Better hold him back. I'm not gonna be able to get on my bike without He's out of control. I'm not gonna get on my bike until he's in control. No, not until he's in control. Not until he's in control. No. No, he's gonna get out of here. No, I don't feel safe. I'm gonna show him the videos. I don't feel safe to get on my bike. Look at this, bro. Go ahead. Go ahead. Don't do it, bro. I don't got enough time to get on my bike, bro. The cops ain't gonna say shit. Bikes ain't gonna, hey, I can't get on it. No, it's not. I'm posting this. I'm posting this. He already knows that. He already knows that. This is gonna get views, Carson. This is gonna get views, buddy.